Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to backup Snapchat photos. So if you want to backup your Snapchat photos, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat and then you have to click on the profile on the left top. Once you will be here, you are in your profile. On the right top, you will see setting button. Just click on it and scroll up. Once you will be here you will see different options, so simply you have to search for the memories, click on it, and here you will see smart backup option, click on it, and here you will see save button, click memories and camera roll. And once you will do it, here you will see auto save my snap storage, click on the auto save to memories. Just do these settings as I have did on my Snapchat. So in this way you can easily back up your Snapchat photos. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment, I will try to help you. Thank you.